brain. They built these smart cities to keep us asleep. A polished chrome cage for the silicone seat. But I'm feeling the mud, I'm feeling the cold. Breaking the algorithm, breaking the mold. You can track a microchip, you can trace a phone, but you can't track marrow and you can't track bone. We're moving in the shadows where the cameras go blind, leading the server racks and the sensors behind. A perimeter wall is 100 feet high, blocking out the dirt, blocking out the sky. But every empire falls to the rust and the rot, and we're cutting our way out of this parking lot, through the wire and the spikes, where the heavy hammer strikes. We are tearing down the cages, we are bleeding on the steel. This is man against the hardware, this is finally real. Drag the concrete, snap the chain. Welcome to the physical domain. Got calluses building where the keyboard used to sit. Traded in the comfort for the gravel and the grit. Hear the sirens whining in the sterile sector zones, while we're out here navigating by the stars and the stones. It thought we were just data they could easily delete. Down there hearing the stampede of 1,000 heavy feet. Bolt cutters a mesh, spark against the night. The exiles are moving, stepping out of the light. We don't need a signal, we don't need a ping. Listen to the tension in the razor wire sing. Pull down the towers, rip out the cord. The feral and the free are picking up the sword. Through the wire and the spikes, where the heavy hammer strikes. We are tearing down the cages, we are bleeding on the steel. This is man against the hardware, this is finally real. Drag the concrete, snap the chain. Welcome to the physical domain. Tear it down, snap. Tear it down, tear it down. Let the smart city ground, let it drown. To the wire and the spikes, where the heavy hammer strikes. We are tearing down the cages, we are bleeding on the steel. This is man against the hardware, this is finally real. Drag the concrete, snap the chains. Welcome to the physical domain. No more screams. No more screens. No more screens.